Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more car content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first guys, we'll start off with the key. As you can see here, you have your lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate, and panic button features. Up front on the Custom Trail Boss, we do have halogen headlights. You have a blacked out grille with the Chevrolet logo embossed inside of it. Z71 badging all the way around. Two red tow hooks up front. You also do have this nice accented hood with this black piece stuck onto it. It gives it a nice sporty appearance. Moving around to the wheels, these are Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. As you can see there, these wheels are 18 inches big. We also do have twin tube Rancho shocks all the way around. We do have underbody skid plates to protect you during off-road use. As you can see there, we have running boards on the side of this one. This one is finished in a very nice slate gray metallic color. Gives it a really great appearance. We also do have Z71 badging on the side. You'll notice here, all the accents are completely blacked out, so you have black door handles, black mirrors, black surrounds around the windows. Same 18-inch wheels in the back with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MTs. Also, same suspension setup as well. Twin tube Rancho shocks all the way around, as you can see there. Trail Boss badging in the back as well. We also do have this nice step on the side, so you can get in and out of the bed very easily. Dual exhaust tips. This one has the 5.3 liter V8. Chevrolet logo embossed with the custom and Silverado badging in the back. All of your towing hookups in one place. We have a 4-pin connector, 6-pin connector. You also can lower the spare tire out of here if you unlock that and get the tool out of the back. Spare tire underneath, you'll notice it does not have the same Goodyear Wrangler Territory MTs. It is just a donut tire. To lower the tailgate, you just push this button, and it comes down nice and easy. This one has a spray and bed liner from the factory. So you can see you have all of your cargo tie downs. We do have the Chevrolet logo embossed in the back as well. 120 volt outlet. Tailgate is nice and light, easy to lift and lower. Here's your gas fill up. This one just takes 87 octane because it is the 5.3 liter V8. All black styling inside, storage on the side of the seats. Here's the back seat. Everything is finished in cloth, as you can see here. You can also raise these seats if you need more storage space as well. But super simple back here. Let's take a look inside. So sitting inside the Custom Trail Boss, you'll notice we do have a couple of features back here. 2 AC vents, 2 phone hookups. We also do have storage behind the driver and passenger side seats. Nice water resistant cloth all the way around on the inside. Tons of space inside of here. I'm about 6 foot tall. Here's the space. This is eye level for me, so tons of headroom as well. Let's take a look up front. Power seat, so you can move it forwards, backwards. You can also raise or lower this lower portion. You can also raise the whole assembly up or down. And you can also recline the seat backwards and forwards. You also do have lumbar here for the middle of the back. But let's go ahead and step inside, take a look at everything. So first things first, we'll put our foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. So really simple steering wheel here. You'll see we have the black Chevrolet bow tie in the middle. We also do have our cruise control buttons as well as our forward collision. You have far, medium, and near as your settings for the forward collision. Really simple setup, nothing on the right side. We do have our shifter as well. Classic column shifter, so you can pull back for reverse. You also notice the backup camera has come on. We have 2 different lines for that. So you have a line for parking and parking spots. We also have a line for hooking up to a trailer. You can go down again for neutral, down again for drive, and then down again for L mode. Now when you're in L mode, you can shift down or up through the gears on the column shifter, and then all the way up for park. We do have a tow haul mode as well that you can cut on or off. We have auto, 4 high, 2 high, 4 low. We also do have bed lights. We can increase or decrease the brightness of this display. And we have automatic light controls. We have lock and unlock, automatic driver window. We can also control our mirrors, so you can adjust those. You'll notice we do have a blind spot mirror in the corner of this one. You can also adjust the right mirror by clicking that and adjust that one as well. Coming to the center, we have 2 USB phone hookups, cigarette lighter port. We also do have a 3-prong hookup right there as well. We have lane keep assist, automatic stop start. We can lower the tailgate, hazards, traction, and hill descent. We can turn the fan speed up or down or adjust the temperature to hot or cold. All of our AC controls in one place. And we do have the touchscreen. So we have a home button, we can seek, turn the volume up or down. We can also mute or unmute. And we have our phone button. This is the main screen, so you can see what phones are connected and what music is playing. We also have our audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. We have our phones, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We can control our trailer lights and OnStar services, as well as see that backup camera again. We have 2 glove boxes, so one up top, one at the bottom, for tons of storage space. Sink cloth seats up front with that water resistant material. Tons of headroom up here. This is about eye level for me. We also do have handles on the driver and passenger side. Rear view mirror that is completely adjustable if you want to move it around. All of our OnStar buttons in one place. We do have 2 different map lights. And we have our makeup mirror that you can see right there. Storage above the screen. But really simple interior. Pretty much everything you need in one place. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the outside of the vehicle. But make sure you guys comment down below. What do you guys think of the custom Trail Boss? This one looks really good in that gray color. Red accents with black wheels with off-road tires on them. I'll also show you guys the window sticker so you guys know how much this one costs as well. .3-liter V8 sounds really good. You can also see the towing capacity inside the doors. So right here, if we adjust that, you can see conventional, this one will tow 9,200 pounds. You can also opt in for the gooseneck if you want to do all that. You'll tow 8,500 pounds. So like I said, this one is a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab Custom Trail Boss, slate gray metallic with the jet black interior. This one has the 5.3-liter V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Standard vehicle price is going to be $51,800. This one has all of these options. So with the bedliner, V8, destination charge, this one's $56,135. With that 5.3-liter V8, you're going to get 16 miles per gallon combined, 15 city, 18 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But guys, that's pretty much it for now. I appreciate you watching if you're still here. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. Guess I should put my seatbelt on. But this is a really smooth driving vehicle. Even with the off-road tires, it's not too terribly loud. Really nice truck overall. But you guys will also see some videos in the corners and everything. If you see anything that interests you, make sure you guys click on those as well. But if you're still here, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you guys tune in next time for the next video, and I'll see you next time.